Welcome back, Coding God fans, LLD haters. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to code. And at the end of the code, it will say a shout out. So we're in Python. So let's begin. So let's start by making some commands. Oh, shoot. It's been a minute since I've coded. Sorry. Print glitch in the system. So this will like create the system, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right. And then let's make some mods equal, let's do a scary, or should we do spooky? Oh, pardon me. Oh my god. Yo. That scary Google image. Words. I know. Alright, and then let's make some controls. So port time. Import the system. The symbol, sorry. Misclicking the system. Squirrel. Mom, get out of my room. Mom. I'm in the middle of something, Mom. No, Mom. Oh my god. Mom, the beanbag's not broken. Mom. I'm working. Mom, this is how I make my money. Mom, this is my room. All right. Can you close the door? No, just no. Oh my god. Mom, just go. Oh my. Mom. My name's not that. It's Coding God. Mom, bro. Sorry about that. My mom came in. And let's Whoa. All right. So if we run this, we should get something pretty cool. Oh. Ooh, scary. We love tubs. Oh my god. Sorry. It said it was scary, so I had to react. What? So first off, we are going to write the color and then delete that space. And then I'm thinking we should write friendly. Now we're going to make a new one. And then I'm not a fan of the scariness of this. So we're going to tone it down to be, let me think, happy. After we write happy, we're going to want to put a parenthesis right there. And then let's put the main character's name here, Richard. With a question mark. And then let's see. What else could we make this even more fun? Let's make it colorful. So on that, you're going to want to do XC, that button, colorful. All right. So currently our game is about, you know what? Let's just delete this to be happy. Our game is currently about a glitch in the system, happiness, mods, squirrels, and we love tubs, more friendliness. Our main character's name is Richard, and it's about colorfulness. Let's keep it moving here. Zoom call. What should the Zoom call be about? Oh, something did happen. It appears there's a glitch in the system. There's a glitch. Yellow is friendly. Let's edit this a bit. Let's make it correct. Yellow could equal friendly, and let's do C Red Bull. Oh, it appears I have caps lock on. So there's a guy named Richard with an E. Interesting way of spelling it. Let's do we could print Richard is a LOD hater, aka friend. There's a glitch in the system. There's no glitch in the system right now. Everything's going perfectly. There's something happening. Earthquake! Earthquake! Sorry, there's an earthquake. We're back though. All right, so let's run this. Wheel of Tubs. Richard is a LLD hater. Sounds about right. All right. Let's do our sponsorship today. Today we're sponsored by Tubbs and Colin. Colin and Tubbs are our Coding Gods community's best friend, and they're the biggest LLD haters we know. Tubbs is going on. He's going to be 52 this year, the young 52. He's like aging in reverse. He looks like he just keeps getting younger and like more capable. And Colin. So thank you to Colin and Tubbs for the 1 mil and the Rolex. We'll drop their phone numbers down in the bio below. So let's get back to go. Here we go. Back to what we were doing. So this is what I was doing before, like my first project. So let's run it. Here we go. This is it. This is the design I made. Looks like we have some bacteria growing on the screen. It's weird. Let's just minus this. The yellow button means it goes away, but you can bring it back up very quickly. So I'm going to press it right now. Oh, the red button means it's just gone. So if you're ever like, there's this really cool image I want, but I don't want to fully delete it, press the yellow button, my friend. And then usually there's a green button here. That just, boom, it's a lot bigger now. So we're going to save this for later. Maybe keep editing. As you can see, all this coding is just leading up to one awesome thing. And then now we have more bacteria on the screen. Let's check it out. So again, on this one, I'll re-explain this because I'm betting most of the viewers have not heard of this before. Yellow, it's going to shoot down like the image is just, and then red it's gone. So we are going to press the red button right here. 3. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's just gone. And then, why don't we move on in the game? I feel like we have most stuff. Happiness, friendly fire. We're going to make nuclear bombs. And then before that, as you can see, it's red right now. You're going to want to press an exclamation point. And then at the end, we're going to want to put an @ symbol. That means there is a nuclear bomb in the game. Okay. Oh, this is what people call a clothing design. So Now we're going to see what the orange yellowy button does. 3, 2. You know what? Let's actually see these lines? Yellow button. As you can see, it's saved. So I could open that very easily. It's very accessible right now. I would just have to go down here. Boom. It's back. Gone. Back. A quick word from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Fractal. Fractal has been supporting us since day one, since we started hating on LD, and I think we need to show some thanks to the red button there. Let's just we're not going to quit the game. We are going to print. We are. I think what's in this is. I don't know. I think it like messed up my spelling. Thank you to Tubbs and Colin again. Couldn't